In lesson 4.2, we're going to look at how to divide fraction. This is a pretty easy process because even though we're doing division, we're actually going to change the problem around and make it a multiplication problem. So let's have a look at one. Let's start off with two fractions. We're going to take 1/5 and I want to divide it by 2/3. Now the way that I do this and the way I can turn it into a multiplication problem is by making 2/3 into what's called the reciprocal. And a reciprocal is basically when we take a fraction and flip the numbers. So I'm going to make my denominator my new numerator, and my numerator is now going to be on the bottom and be my denominator. So this problem turns into this problem. 1/5 times the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. If I do this now, 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 2 is 10. 3/10 can't be reduced, can't be simplified, so this problem is now done. And all I had to do was multiply 1/5 times the reciprocal of 2. Now we're going to look at how we take a fraction and divide it by a whole number. And just like multiplying what we did yesterday, if we have a whole number, we can turn it into a fraction by putting a fraction bar and a 1 underneath it. So 4/5 divided by 2. All I have to do is turn this 2 into a fraction. Now I'm set to go. Just like last time, I want to take 2/1 and make the reciprocal. So it turns into this problem. 4/5, which I'm going to now multiply by the reciprocal of 2/1, which is 1/2. Now if we work this out, we get a 4/10. This can be simplified. 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So my new and final answer is 2/5. And just like last time, I took my division problem and made it a multiplication problem where I multiply the fraction on the right hand side by the